Hi, this is Rick, Total Parts Pro. Today with 2021 Ford Everest, stock number 7009. It's ran from the 6th 2018 to the 5th 2022. There's a UA 2-litre twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is a UA 2-litre twin turbo diesel engine. Left front 18-inch factory naked tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory naked tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 2 dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory naked tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,